Did you know that in January of this year, 437 fires per day were reported in the Colombian Amazon? Fires force the displacement of vectors that carry infectious agents such as yellow fever, dengue, Zika, and chikungunya. Throwing garbage or other objects on the ground has serious repercussions for the planet. As a consequence of these bad practices, there is an increase in the risk of fires in the natural environment. This is not only an environmental problem, but also a public health one, since gas bottles or aerosols can cause fires and the uncontrolled burning of waste contributes to the development of respiratory disease such as bronchitis or emphysema. According to the Ministry of Environment, this figure is greater than the maximum waste storage capacity. That is why the use of biodegradable bags will be helping almost 50% of this situation, as it biodegrades in 18 months, which would help to avoid the overcrowding of plastics and have a more sustainable environmental impact. Tourists are encouraged to buy the handicrafts made by the Laetitians, who have great skills in jewelry in recyclable material and thus, apart from knowing a tourist place, help both the environment and the manual work of the inhabitants, taking with them a good souvenir. To make their problem the solution, that with the materials that take longer to degrade generate crafts that, in addition to reducing the accumulation of waste, help to generate additional sources of income. With the purpose of being able to have suitable machinery to be able to compact the remaining garbage and that it is easy to transport, avoiding fires and increasing the rate of employment indirectly, also with the people who help in the topic of the compaction and in the topic of transportation. Our proposal proposes different pillars to contribute as a Latin American community to reach One Health, since we are proposing a comprehensive approach addressing the population that interacts with the area management and helping with social movements and social determinants to reduce deforestation. This branch of our project takes care of the environment, leading us to our last pillar, animal health, given by the instruction in the Laetitian population, covering ranchers, peasants, farmers, and the Laetitian inhabitants, avoiding intensive livestock farming and the use of animals. This solution is very important, since we are not only helping the communities living in the Amazon, but the planet in general, reducing the waste that will pollute the environment and affect the flora and fauna of this territory known as the lung of the world. We invite you to take care of our country and our planet Earth, with a simple actions such as changing the single-use plastic with something as simple as a thermos and a reusable bag.
So how could rural communities in Latin America can implement a strategy using the One Health approach to improve health outcomes? As a strategy, we have created a page that you can see in both Spanish and English called 9 Minds, where you will find 7 solutions in hyperlinks where we'll explain each one. The first one, training for proper waste management and separation theory of. The second one, volunteering to create houses from plastic bottles. The third one, promote the use of thermos for personal use that allows the reductions of purchase and sale of plastic bottles. The fourth one, use of reusable cloth bags. The next one, implementation of biodegradable bags. The next one is encourage tourists to buy handicrafts through the website and or donate through the website. The final one is through the donation made on the website, buy a garbage compactor machine and manage its transport. So help us take care of the environment.